All of us have gathered here today to celebrate the 25 years of MVN Foundation. And on this occasion, I would like to greet all the parents and well-wishers because of whom all this has been possible, and MVN is now known as the premier institution of Faridabad. First of all, I would like to take you back to the history of MVN. MVN was started in the year 1983 in a residential building, that is a Koti in sector 16, with a handful of students. Handful in the beginning, we didn't have even a single student, everybody knows, but the very first year we could get 180 students. Though people used to discourage us in the beginning कि क्या करने जा रहे हो तुम, स्कूल में कहाँ बच्चे मिलते हैं ऐसे, but we also sometimes we used to think कि इस घर का किराया कैसे देंगे अगर बच्चे नहीं आए तो. Then we used to think कि चलो अपना घर किराए पे देके. We had a house of 160 yards that time, which sir had already made when he was as a teacher. So we used to think कि चलो घर में किराए पे देके वहीं रहने लग जाएंगे. And even the house owner, he was also a little bit hesitant कि ये टीचर ही तो है, ये किराया दे देंगे मेरे मकान का. But as you know, all of you know, sir, he was very bold and he always took such steps and he always took risks in life. And everyone has to take risks if one has to go ahead. So the very first year we had 180 number of students. We had classes till 10th and we got recognition from Haryana board in the very first year. And in those students, 8th class was also a board class, that in Haryana board still I think it is board class. And we had 30 students in class 10th, out of which some of them were married even, and some of them were there, those who had failed for the last 4 years. 4 times they had been failing. But sir even then he admitted them, and very first year we could show 100% result. So after that, sir applied for this land, but by the time we couldn't get this land, he thought we may or may not get the land, and he sold his own house, and we got a plot of 500 yards in sector 17, that is 585 number, and he started construction over there. कि इसमें स्कूल चलाएंगे, इसमें फिर अब बच्चे ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे तो क्या करेंगे. But in the meantime we got this land and then he sold that house again to construct this building. So by and by this building was constructed. This whole building was not constructed in the beginning in 1 year. Very by and by, gradually we picked up, and then this building has come up now. And after that we went on working hard, and in the beginning, as you all know, that in Faridabad, APJ was the only school with affiliated to CBSE. We came to this building and we got affiliation from CBSE. And after that, in the beginning, good students, best quality of students always went to APJ. Second option was MVN. But we used to show better results of those students, those who came to us with lesser percentage of marks. So now, as you all know, that the best quality of students prefer MVN. And after that, the demand grew so much that then sir had to open that Aravali Hills, and in 2000, Aravali Hills came up. And you might not be aware of this, that the school Bhumi Pujan was done in the month of December 99 or maybe January 2000, but we got admission in September, October 99, even before the Bhumi Pujan was done. Nothing was there in the name of building there. So people had so much of faith in sir. And whatever you are seeing today, that is all because of him. All because of him only. You people are lucky that you had such a wonderful personality in Faridabad. I should, though I feel that he was my husband, I shouldn't say so much. People may feel कि इनके husband है तो इसलिए कह रहे हैं. But everybody says so. Earlier I never thought that I am so lucky, but now I think that I am the luckiest one that I got such a husband. That everybody is praises him. And after sir's death, some people they told me कि वरुण को अब इतना काम मत करने देना, कि सर को शायद टेंशन से ही ऐसा हो गया. I said no, सर को टेंशन जो तो होना था वो होना ही था. That was to happen. It was our bad luck that was to happen. But he has done so much that people are remembering him, and he will be doing good in future as well because of his deeds. He has done so much for the people. So many children will be remembering him. Why Varun shouldn't do that much? He should try to do even better than that. And now, as you know, that this year, when Sir was sick, he already was planning to open an engineering college. And at the back of Aravali Hills, we have a land of 17.5 acres. And there he had started the building even. But as in luck would have it, he fell sick, and after that, now that forest Pangai is there on that land. And now we have opened 2 colleges, as you all are aware of. We have opened 2 colleges in Palwal, in the name of Gopal Sharma MVN Institute of Technology and Lefi MVN Institute of Technology, that is for girls, and one is co-ed. And we have 450 students there in the very first year. And as you know, we had 180 students in the first year of the school, but now we can boast of having 6,000 students and 500 teachers with us. But all this has been possible because of the cooperation of my staff members, and the seeds of this cooperation and bonding was sown by Sir only. He made the staff members so much responsible, and such a bonding was there amongst all of us that everything becomes easy for us now. And we have his guidance still. We seek his guidance. Whenever we are in some problem, we always then start thinking कि जब पहले ऐसा होता था तो सर क्या करते थे. We seek guidance from that only. And because of that, because of Sir only, because of his blessings only, all this is going on still. I do wonder कि मैं तो कुछ भी करती नहीं हूँ. All my coordinators, all my teachers, they are doing everything. They are the ones to make the school successful. And I would like to apprise you of the future plans of the school also. We are planning to open a chain of pre-nursery schools, and in the college also next year we would be having MBA also, and in the near future we hope to acquire the status of state university. And it is our endeavor that the child who joins our school as a toddler, he goes out of the school as a responsible and well-balanced citizen after completing his MBA. And I would like to share one more idea that about the relation of student and the teacher. Yesterday we had a program over there at Aravali's, Guru Dakshina. The program was wonderful, and it took us back to the era of ancient rishis, though those concepts in present scenario are not applicable, but still that spirit of discipline, that spirit of obedience, and that spirit of respect should be there amongst the students for their teachers. And again I would like to request the teachers also that they have to behave as a mother to the children. They should have motherly affection for the children. If ever they are scolding some child, that is not to crash their personality, but to make the personality stronger and stronger. So parents, sometimes if by mistake something happens, so please never and never criticize the teacher or the school in front of your child. That affects the personality of the child. You can come to us. You are always welcome with the suggestions, with the criticism, with the to tell us the shortcomings. We are always ready to improve. But please tell your child to respect their teachers. These are very small children in primary, so they always love their teachers. Primary children always and always love their teachers.